I know my face looks really dirty right now. It's just fake tan. So I'm going to start with the Pillowies eyeshadow base. Starting with the eyes first because we're going to do something really colourful. I'm going to be taking the Pillowies Let the Queen Conquer palette because I'm wanting to use purples, pinks, possibly a pop of like a pop of yellow. In fact, hold on a 30 seconds. Eyeshadow palette drawer is a ton weight. I might also take the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette and use this coral shade because I want to enter just a wee bit of coral somewhere as well. Right, so because I'm going to be taking the Be Perfect Carnival palette, I'm going to just use the purple that's already in this palette. Considering I've hit pan quite a bit in the purple shades, I may as well use them up, you know, while I'm actually going to be using this palette anyway. And I'm going to be starting with the purple. So I'm going to start with the blackberry shade. Clearly, it's well loved, right? You can see that. I'm taking my first shade on a fluffy-ish flat packing brush so that it's going to be really good to not only pack on the shadow just in the shape that I want it to be in, and then I'll be able to go in and use the same brush to do a wee bit of a blending. Yes. Oh, what? Now you decide to tell me stories. Tell me more. I'm actually going to pack this on a wee bit thicker and bring it over a wee bit more. Once that brush is cleaned off a wee teensy bit, I'm going to go in and start giving this a bit of a pat blend. So not in circular motions, just giving it a couple wee pats just to diffuse and blur those edges. Also taking a wee blending brush and just also going around those edges. Going to enter just a wee bit of pink now. Might use the Pillowies palette, this shade maybe. And I'm going to start patting this 50-50. So half on that purple and just like half on my lid where there's no shadow, and just patting that on. Just to start with. And then grabbing a wee clean brush, I'm going to go to the shade underneath that pink, which was Fun and Games that I just used, and I'm going to use Defeat. And I'm now going to start my circular motions blending and just blend these edges. Just right round. I'm just going to perfect this blend first of all before going back in and fixing this blend. I'm taking the Morphe M562 wee blending brush and also Fun and Games. Taking the shade Grape from the Carnival palette. I'm just putting that random. And then just keeping another fluffy brush handy. Using the coral shade from the Be Perfect Cosmetics palette, I'm going to enter just this, just on the inner corner. Just packing that within the crease. And doing a wee bit of blending. I think I might blend this out a wee bit more with yellow. This really isn't the best type of day to be doing this type of makeup look. I love doing like really colourful summer glam makeup looks when it's a beautiful day outside, but it's currently pissing with rain. It's so miserable. Oh, I take a mixture of these two shades. Also the wind. I don't even know if you can hear that, but my doors are going crazy. Because I have my windows open. And it's June, like, it's one thing I hate about this country is like we never get really nice weather. And if we do, we get teased with it. Like a couple of days or a week or over a weekend, and then it's back to being cloudy and rain. No wonder the majority of people in this country are depressed. I've also put that coral shade over, just over the lid because I'm going to be popping this glitter on, so it's going to be covered anyway. I just taken away glitter glue. So I'm just going to press that all over the inner corner. And kind of somewhat overlapping onto the purple as well. I'm going to be just patting and patting at this to kind of make it tacky or speed up the process of it becoming tacky. Straight away, whilst obviously the glue is tacky, you're going to want to apply your glitter. Oh, the glitter I'm using, by the way, is this one from LA Splash in the shade Fizzy Flamingo. I swear to God, you see the LA Splash glitters, they have the best names. They have this yellow glitter and it's beautiful. And it's called Hawaiian Fizz. And I love that name. Just puts me in the mood for a pineapple cocktail for some reason. This is a coral based, like a pinky peachy coral based glitter with like yellow, green and gold reflex to it. It's really, really pretty. It's a very complimentary glitter, especially to the colours that I've used. Because I don't want the glitter to look as if it's just stopped or it's just pressed on, I'm going to take this really sparse brush with a wee bit of the glitter that I was using already on it and just spread the glitter out a wee bit. You can kind of see what I mean. I'm taking this wee purple eyeliner from Colourpop. It's in the shade Spring Break. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm also gonna bring it down along my lower lash line as well. And then going on with the Be Perfect palette. This is just the blueberry shade. Oh! Put eyeshadow on my eye. Another wee eyeliner from Colourpop. I'm just going to put this black eyeliner just at the inner corner so that whenever I put the false lashes on, you see the way the false lashes and the black liner kind of blend a wee bit. Or, does that make sense? I find that then whenever I put false lashes on, the false lash band will blend into the black eyeliner. That's what I mean. Bit of mascara. Do you know, it's crazy how really shit mascaras can completely ruin your eyelashes. I was using a Glam mascara, really didn't like it, but I was like, okay, fair enough, I don't like it to actually use on my lashes, but I was just using it to join my real lashes with my false lashes. I wasn't using it the way I'm using this mascara here now. But even just taking it off has clearly messed up my lashes. They're so short and stumpy. That's mental. And this mascara here is just as bad. It's a fucking shite. It's the Ciate. I was actually sent this in PR. It's the Ciate Wonderland mascara. It's awful. It's just a clumpy mess. But anyhow, I sometimes feel really guilty saying that products are shit or they're not great if I've been sent them in PR, because that kind of makes me look and feel a wee bit ungrateful. But if I don't like something, I don't like something, you know what I mean, whether I've bought it myself or whether I've been sent it. But most of the time if I've been sent a product, I do feel guilty saying that I don't like it. But at the same time, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to lie to you. Another product from Colourpop. This is the BFF Volumized Mascara. It's the purple one. I thought this would be quite cute. I have it on my lower lashes here. It's actually very... Well, yeah, that makes it... Why is this only just dawned on me? That makes sense. I was gonna say it really matches. It goes really well with the Colourpop eyeliner in my waterline, but I think you can actually get this as like a wee duo, like a wee combo. I'm an idiot. But yeah, they're basically like the same colour. It's great. But yeah, they're basically like the same colour. They do go really well. Right, clean the eye nose rings. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just give you a wee close up and zoom in. How beautiful is that glitter though? It is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.